This is Fitz with Greensboro iPhone Repair. Welcome to the store. This is going to be the outside of the store. You see my signs. Let's go ahead and walk in there. Check it out. Got this banner. iFixit, Greensboro iPhone and computer repair. We fix your broken device. My open sign. Nice sign that people can see from the road. This is a very high traffic area. Through the door. And enter the vortex. Here we've got the front desk with a custom decal on the front. iFixit. All of the cases you could ever need for any phone. Got a Mac Mini. Got display cases with speakers, iPad cases, iPhone chargers, and more. I've got LED lights going around that, and that is actually going to be the skyline of the city I live in, Greensboro. And I've also got some LED strips going around the window here. Can't really tell because of the sunlight right now. That is going to be the front room. You know, I sit right here, check in all my customers. It goes well. Got the repair room. Got a big whiteboard to put all my daily tasks on. The repair area. This is where the magic takes place. Wow. Got all the different screens for all your different model iPhones up top. Got some iPad screens, some charge ports and whatnot on top there. Oh, and this is the repair area. Got all customer devices on this side, on this wall, as well as some devices I have for sale. I mark everything to make sure I know what it is. All of those devices up there in the top left, they're all from one customer. Pretty crazy. And this is going to be my hot air station, really where I just heat up iPads, some solder stuff, and then all of the iPhones I have got for sale. Alright, so now that I've showed you the front room and the repair room, there are two other rooms in this building, this one and then this one, but those will be the secret rooms for now. Got some ideas on what I'm going to do with those, and I'll make future videos later on. But yeah, thanks for checking us out, and if you need any repair, iPhone, computer, Mac, game console, anything in the Greensboro area or not, feel free to contact us. My link will be in the description as well as my address. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.